Good day everyone! We are here at Arabella Estates, Barangay Matungao, Bulacan, Bulacan. Today, i-check po natin ang bagong model house unit. Ang model house unit na to ay Antalya Single Detached with a total floor area of 181 square meters. Ang minimum lot area naman nito ay 168 square meters. Tara, let's check the inside. Ito naman ang iyong 2 carport garage. At equipped siya with your automatic sliding gate. Tara, samahan niyo ako, check natin ang loob ng bahay. This is your living room and your dining area. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung sobrang presko kasi meron tayong malalaking sliding windows. At the same time, pag check mo dyan, you have your high ceiling, which is, ito yung key feature ng bahay na to. Antalya is the one with the high ceiling. Meron na rin tayong access dito sa ating kitchen. So, complete kitchen na yan. At access na rin sa inyong laundry area. Sa first floor, meron na tayong first toilet and bath. This is your first toilet and bath. And also, your first bedroom sa first floor. Check natin naman yung second floor. This one, you can do that storage. Pag-akyat mo naman dito sa second floor, ito may magandang view. So, andyan yung high ceiling mo. You can put your best chandelier. So, pwede ka mag-shopping ng best chandelier na pwede mo ilagay dyan. This is your second bedroom. Located na po ito sa second floor. Same, very good yung ventilation, the design. At yung second toilet and bath po natin. This is your third bedroom. And your master's bedroom. So naka-cove ceiling na siya. At meron din siya sariling toilet and bath. Very big yung improvements ng ating mga toilet and bath. Yung mga bathroom fixtures natin. Ang gaganda na ng mga na-install dito. Alright, I think that's it for our house tour. Pag interesado po kayo sa model unit nito, keyword is Antalya Single Detached. Meron siyang high ceiling. If you're interested, let us know. Message lang po kayo sa page namin. Alright, that's it for our house tour. This is Hansel Sumera, real estate broker from Televero Realty. Salamat po. Bye.